Saudi hired me to do. Tonight, we're going to draw the son of the legendary assassin from Universe 6, known as Hit. Did you know that his son kinda had hair? Who would have thought that Hit would have hair? Especially if it's his son. Whatever it's called. Trust me, his son really is strong. Even Frieza fought against him. Again.
Let's go after our dreams, which we lost one day beneath them back seas. Go and gather all the stars, they will open up the gate up in the sky, which will lead us to a brand new stage, where we'll go and challenge the gods. Fall, intense, be dynamic, let's go, go, don't let it please, it makes us stronger than before. There will be no limits, no regrets.
See this? That melts the sign of a god of destruction. Does that make Hit's son a god of destruction? I sure would like to find out more. And finish. That's how you draw Hit's son. And complete. Alexa, what is an assassin?
The noun, assassin, can have a couple meanings. 1. A murderer, especially one who kills a politically prominent person for fanatical or monetary reasons. 2. One of an order of Muslim fanatics, active in Persia and Syria from about 1090 to 1272, whose chief object was to assassinate crusaders. Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music from your library.
Alright, that's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Alexa, play it again.